Hello ladies and gentlemen and welcome, it's Marco. On today's video we'll go through the names and the rules behind them. So let's get straight to the point. So, names can be either masculine or feminine. If we've got a masculine singular name, the word is gonna end with the letter O. And the masculine plural version of the name will see the O turning into an I. So plural, masculine plural names will end with the letter I. So let's see some examples. Cat is gatto. That's the masculine and singular version of that name. But the plural version, masculine plural, is gonna be gatti. Can you see that the O from gatto turned into an I in gatti? Table, the masculine and singular word is tavolo. Tavolo. But the masculine plural version of tavolo is tavoli. Tavoli. Bed is letto. Letto is the masculine and singular version of that word, but the plural and masculine is going to be letti. Letti. Perfume, the Italian name is profumo, which is the masculine and singular name. But the masculine plural version of profumo is profumi. Profumi. Or the word toy, that's GIOCATTOLO in Italian. GIOCATTOLO, masculine and singular. But the masculine plural version, it's gonna be giocattoli. Giocattoli, toys. Feminine names, if they're singular and feminine, the word is gonna end with the letter A. A. But this A turns into an E for the plural and feminine version of that name. So let's see some examples. Guitar, that's chitarra, chitarra. Chitarra is the feminine and singular version, but the plural and feminine is gonna be chitarre. Chitarre. Mom, that's mamma. Mamma, that's the feminine and singular version of the name, because it ends with an A. The plural and feminine version of mamma, it's mamme. Mums. Mamme. Window, that's finestra. Finestra. Finestra is the singular and feminine version of the word, but the plural and feminine is gonna be finestre. Finestre. Chair, that's sedia. Sedia is the singular and feminine version of the name, which turns into sedie. Sedie for chairs, which is the feminine and plural version of the name. Shoe, that's scarpa. Scarpa, that's the singular and feminine version of the name, which turns into scarpe. Shoes. Scarpe, which is the plural and feminine version of the word. Then we've got the names ending in E. Bear in mind that these names can be either masculine or feminine. All the singular names ending with the letter E, the plural version of that name, it's gonna end with the letter I. So the E, which is for the singular form, turns into an I for the plural form. Let's see some examples. A singular and masculine name ending in E is the ticket inspector. Controllore. The plural version, the ticket inspectors, it's going to be controllori. Controllori. So as you can see, the E from controllore turned into an I in controllori. Or vinyl, which is vinile. Vinile, this is the masculine and singular form, which turns into vinili for the plural and masculine form, vinili. Or judge, which is giudice, giudice. This is the masculine and singular form, which turns into giudici for the plural masculine form, giudici. The washing machine, lavatrice, lavatrice. This is the singular and feminine version of the name, which turns into lavatrici, lavatrici, the washing machines, for the plural and feminine version of the name. Or lesson, lezione, lezione, which is our singular and feminine version of the name, which turns into lezioni, lezioni, lessons, for the feminine and plural version of the name. So guys, this is the general principle to follow for masculine and feminine names if you want to go from the singular form to the plural form. But bear in mind that there are many exceptions that you might encounter along the way. So, for those exceptions, you might just have to memorize them. Okay? But this is a principal line that you can follow to understand names. And that's it. Thank you very much. And I'll see you soon. Bye now. Ciao.